These advices that these YouTube finance gurus give you are not even from financial background, or they don't have actual experience dealing with clients and helping people to plan for their financial needs. So of course, theoretically, it is good to clear your debt first, but in practicality, it might not be the right one for you. So let's talk about debt in general. So first of all, not all debt is bad. So I have the privilege of dealing with millionaire clients, high net worth clients, and most of the time, they have debt, or they do take on debt with a low interest rate, depending on the interest rate. And for the purposes of what the debt is more important than the debt itself. Here's what I mean. It's not that debt is bad by itself. The important thing is what you do with that debt and what it's being used for. So the problem is most people use debt, especially when they first come out to work, to finance their lifestyle. Maybe they want to get something from the luxury market, or they want to reward themselves for something they did. So that's how, when debt is used to finance a lifestyle, that's when they get in trouble, and that's not good. So it's all about cash flow actually. It's not really about the debt itself. So here's how you look at cash flow. To make it simply, money coming in, money going out, you should have positive cash flow. That means that you're safe and everything's going within, or you're living within your means. But if it is negative, or for example, if it is not enough, then that's where you fall into debt in general. So if you don't have a positive cash flow, that means you're living on borrowed money and borrowed time. And that's what we call debt. So you might be asking, hey Casey, if you say, that the finance YouTubers advise on clearing your debt first and the snowballing effect of interest rates is bad advice, then what should you do? Number one, you have to buy the correct insurance products. In fact, most of the people who are in affordable income, they have insurance policies. Let me give you an example. In the event that you have a medical emergency, you have to go to the hospital, you have to pay for bills. What is worse? A person who has no medical insurance going to the hospital with a big debt, and that's going to make it even worse, because you should be focusing on getting yourself back on your feet. So the other thing besides medical insurance, you can get insurance that replaces your income in case you lose your job. So in some countries, you can buy insurance that way, so that if you lose your job, at least you will get some replacement income for a period of time. Another one that's very common is accident insurance, or probably total or permanent disability insurance, or even temporary or partial disability insurance that can pay you some income in the event you're injured or you're unable to perform at work. And this will help you at least sustain your month-to-month expenses, and also start paying off all your loans and sustain your lifestyle so you can still survive.